Show me.
Who's that?
Name the superheroes.
Venom, Hank, Johnny, Stretchy, Susan, Iron Man.
Who's that? Juggernaut?
Juggernaut. Who's that?
Where's Abomination?
That's Abomination, and that's Punisher, and that's Falcon, and that's Green Goblin, that's Silver Surfer, and that's what superheroes are on here, and that's
Where's Spider-Man?
right here.
Wolverine? Where's Hulk? Where's Hulk?
Red Hulk,
No, just Hulk. Green Hulk.
Green Hulk,
Where's Daredevil? Where's Daredevil?
right there.
That's Daredevil?
Yeah.
That's not Iron Man, is it?
No.
What's Spider-Man's real name?
Peter Parker.
And who does he like?
Mary J.
And who's Peter Parker's aunt?
Aunt May.
And what does she say?
Peter, where are you?
Can you make Venom's voice?
Yeah.
Look at the camera and do Venom.
I'm Venom.